The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any dead or alive person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well.
Today in this video we'll see that how we get on with the Offeo. So if you don't know what is Offeo and how we can watch the full video.
So if you know, nowadays most of the business owners start showing their interest in sponsor ads, and if you just see in Fiverr, there are very less sellers who deliver such a service to those business owners. Now here in this gigs you see the sellers only giving away single banner images and charging their clients. Now here let's see how better we can provide service like Instagram ads. Post just a search with this keyword and see there's a few competition, but they're giving short videos, sponsor videos. Look at this. So this seller is going to create Instagram story ads for their clients, and this will only 15-second video, and he's gonna charge more than $10 or $20 for just a little video, only for 15 seconds. And this is just a image and a text based video. And if you see the second gig, this person, it is getting so many orders. You can see 670.
And if you see this gig, Fiverr personally recommended this gig to all the clients that it's a better gig. So if you see, this person is providing flashy short promo video ad for Facebook and Instagram, and he's going to charge more than $100, like $190 for just a 30-second video
Script with that text images, and this is just a story promo video ad for sponsor Facebook. You can see what they are giving. So only for this couple of things and 30-second video, he's going to charge more than $100, like $190. So isn't that cool? This is just a concept, and you can make this easily. So let's see how we can do this. So you have to come over this site called Offeo, or you have to go for Google and search for Offeo, and you will be able to visit the site, or you can just get the link from my video description and visit the site. So here you can see there are so many features you can use for your work. Now you can see there are more than 300,000 assets you can use, and this is very easy to use, and this is 100% cloud-based software, so you don't have to install or set up any software in your desktop. You can use it from anywhere you want from their website, and this will bring all the elements you can use, like social media posts, logo, banners. You can create whatever you want, and they are giving you already created and proven templates, social media post templates, sponsor templates you can use for your clients. So you can register their site from this link by now, and here you have to give your personal details for registering, like your email and name. So after you register, you have to purchase their one of the premium package, and you can use unlimited project for your purpose. Now as we already create an account, so let's see, after login we will see a dashboard like this. Now here you can see a project, all project and brand. You can see there's a setting icon from where you can see that join community. So if you want, you can join their Facebook community, which has member more than 6,000. So every day they give their personal experience with that software and how they run their business. So you can get better knowledge from that group. And now here, if you want to create your own project, so just click on project and you can use any of them. And now here you can create post for your YouTube, your social media, and your social media stories. So here let's create a story. So for that you have to create a story. You can create a story for your Facebook or for your Instagram as well. Now here you can see in the templates there are a lot of pre-edited defined templates you can use. So suppose here our business is related to restaurants, so let's edit burger burger's image. So you just have to click on that image and it will load it to work on. Now let's see how here we can add any text, any font what we want. You can add here any clips, any use here any backgrounds like animated backgrounds. You can also give here flashy smoke effects, and then you can preview your video and you can download for your client. It's very easy to do.
So I'll give in the description a detailed project editing video for you to better understand this, how it works and how you can use it easily. Now here is a bonus tip for you. If you don't get any clients from Fiverr, you can search your local clients from your Google Map. So come over to your Google Map and search for local clients. Like if you want to work in restaurants owner, so you can type in restaurant and your targeted location. So suppose here we are going to work on New York, I mean in the United States. So you can search restaurants owners or restaurants in your location in New York, and you will see in the search result there are 2 ads. And if you just go down, not the ranked restaurant, you have to go down and choose those restaurants which have a website but not good post in their social pages. So suppose here with that restaurant, we will see here is their number and their website as well. So you can see in this website they have a pretty good website, but if we just visit their social pages, we can able to see that how they are giving post in their social pages. So you can see they have 6,000 followers, but their post is not getting too much attraction or engagement, because these are still image, not a sponsor or not a short video. So you can offer them your videos, and you can also add an extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. And if you visit that website after installing that extension, you will see this indicate that this website is not running any sponsor ads in their Facebook or in their Instagram. So you can offer them as you like to do sponsor campaign for their website, so that they will get many more visitors and customers to their business. So for doing this, you have to copy their email address, contact address or number from their website, and then go to your Gmail, and here you have to type your subject, what you want to give service, and tell them here that you can increase their visitors, increase their customers with online campaign, and you and show them that you are a expert. So you can just use these examples what already getting much more viewers, much more customers, and having ad. So you can use that as an example that these are the campaigns you are running and successfully. So the owners will definitely trust on you that you are quite expert, and they will give you or they will hire you for the job. So it's a pretty easy. You can see the message, the sales letter, how I am convincing them to work with me. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.